Hi guys, welcome back. So yay, another cute little unboxing. So this is from, guess who? Let's see. Okay, this is from, oh, they sent me this little card. It says thank you. Okay, you're welcome. I'm kidding. Oh, it has tape. Let me open it. Hold up, give me a second. Okay, it says, dear Natalie, let's spread fun and love with Fantasy. Best XOXO. Okay, yay. So this is from Fantasy Cosmetics. Yes, I've been dying to try their products out. They reached out to me on Instagram, or no, through email, but this is their website, their socials. So we'll see. So these I did choose. They made me choose between different products. It was kind of hard. I changed my mind twice. Good thing they were patient with me. They're like, yeah, I can change it, it's fine. I was like, thank you, because I'm very indecisive. It's annoying. I take forever to make decisions, even the tiny small ones, like what to eat. It's annoying. So girl, maybe that's why I'm single. Nobody can put up with me. Oh well. And, oh my god. But anyways, so let me see. The first thing is, oh, okay, yeah, this Fantasy eyeshadow palette. So this is their luxury eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Crazy Rhythm. Let me open the plastic. They only had another palette like this, but it was a warm tone palette. I'm like, Ipsy and Boxy Charm sends me a lot of warm tone palettes. So I was like, I was gonna choose that one, but I was like, no. Hold up. This one is cool tone. I don't really have a lot of cool tone. Probably old ones. It's expired makeup. I don't really use it anymore. From gifted, or like somebody gave it to. I don't know, but basically I don't need. I mean, yeah, warm tone palette. So I decided to change it. Oh, I love the music notes, the packaging. This is so cute. Okay, so this is very pretty. Obviously, I can't wait to use it. Oh, it kind of will match with my lipstick. It's a blue lip gloss, but it looks purple on. I do have brown lip liner, so maybe because of that. I don't know, maybe it's my favorite lip combo right now. The blue lip gloss with, anyways, you already know I like to try funky colors, different things. This is tight. This what he's okay. I wasn't trying to be funny, but that came out wrong. Okay, wow, I really can't. Let me see, hold up. Okay, ta-da. It comes like this for protection, which I love. Okay, so when you open it up, it's a cute little palette. Again, it's so small. So you see, it's like gray and smoky tones. Like, wow, it's so pretty. So grays, like neutrals, very pretty shimmeries and matte shades. So wow, I can't believe they reached out to me. There's been a lot of brands reaching out to me recently, so wow, I'm so blessed I can. So yeah, these are all the shade names and the colors. And oh, there's a little and Minia and my ring light. I don't know why there's a lot of ants, and usually that's not a problem in my room. There's no ants here. So weird. Anyways, and I recently cleaned my vanity desk. Not vanity, I don't have one. Anyways, oh my gosh, I just love the color story, the shades. I can't do swatches today, I'm sorry, y'all. Because I have to take pictures for Instagram, and I always say I'm gonna do it for YouTube, but I never do it. It's just a lot. Okay, so next thing are the lipsticks. These I chose as well. These are very nice and pretty. Okay, so I obviously had to choose a red lipstick in like a nude brownish shade. So this one's in the shade Chili, and this is in the shade Cameo. So they had like other shades, like brown shades, I think, like other lighter nudes, pinky nudes. So this one I chose because I saw it on Instagram, because Ella used this. Okay, so she sold me on it on Instagram. I was like, I kind of need that color because in the website it didn't look cute, but when she had it on it looked pretty. So yeah, I need to see it in person, like swatch, because it's hard for you to pick a lipstick shade or any type of makeup in just a website, because it won't look the same as in person, kind of thing, you know. So I was like, let me, like, this one I already knew it's gonna look good, so that's why I chose it anyway. So well, it's kind of thick, the packaging. I thought it was gonna be smaller. It looks smaller in website, but it's pretty gray. I'm getting distracted with the little ad. So it's like frosted, and it's kind of a great quality. It's not flimsy. Oh wow, okay, so good plastic. All right, so I just love the packaging. It's so cute. Okay, so this has a scent. It smells good, like sweet kind of, but makeupy, and little. Smells very good. Anyway, so yeah, you see it's a very pretty, like nude pink reddish warm tone shade. It's not a lipstick shade I have, so it's a pretty everyday shade. So I feel like this will look good on me. It's just very pretty. It's not too light, it's not too dark. It's very pretty again. So there we go. It's so pretty. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna wear this one a lot probably, so very nice. Okay, I'm glad I chose this shade. Okay, so the next shade is obviously a red one. You can't go wrong with red lipstick. It's a must. Everyone should have one. Okay, I don't care if you don't like it, you need to own a red lipstick, girl. Because trust me, everybody's gonna look at you. You're gonna get a lot of compliments. You're gonna get anything you want. To be honest, if you're a woman, you need to wear red lipstick. Okay, you need a boyfriend, use red lipstick. I'm kidding. You need a job, get a red lipstick. No, I'm just, okay, let me see. Okay, it's obviously the same packaging. Oh, never mind, this looks dark. I thought it was gonna be like a classic bright red, but it's totally fine because I need this type of red. I don't think I have this. Yeah, I don't have one, so it's still very, very pretty red. I can't. So I'm for sure gonna use this one a lot too. Like, it's so pretty. I can't. I just love her lipstick. I used to wear the MAC one, not the Russian red, Ruby Woo. That one was my favorite red lipstick. But long story short, I lost it at a guy's car, and he didn't want to give it back to me, so he kept it, which is weird. We were not even dating anymore. He didn't want to give it back. You know, I deal with a lot of crazy people. It's annoying, but so that lipstick sucks because it was like it was a special lipstick for me. Okay, I graduated with the lipstick. Not my mini rant. Oh well, he kept it, didn't want to give it back, so I was like, you know what, whatever, just keep it. So yeah, guys, ruin everything. So I don't know, that lipstick, and it's pretty expensive, like $20 for lipstick. Anyways, so finally I have another red lip. Oh no, I have a red lipstick from MTNYC. They gifted me, or the other Besame Cosmetics, but that one's for shimmer special occasions. So it's good to have like a simple red lipstick for every day, so I'll probably use this one for that. So yay. So that's pretty much it. They just sent me 3 things, which I appreciate. I'm not saying it like really just 3 things. No, like I actually like it. I don't mind. So I just can't wait to use these on a tutorial. If not in this video, in like a separate video, or I'll add a clip here like I've been doing recently. Okay, so yeah, follow my Instagram. That's where I mainly post makeup tutorials now. Thank you so much, Fantasi Cosmetics, for sending me this. Well, and this is a gifted collab. I'm not getting paid for it. Okay, so they're just kind enough to send me this. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna be able to do swatches right now. I'm sorry. Maybe later. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.